Good morning, everybody. We're going to be working on Lesson 14, Module 1, 4th grade. And we're going to be working on page 103. And we're still going to be working with that subtraction using place value and unbundling. So we're going to, but this time we're going to unbundle not just once, but we're going to be multiplying or unbundling several different times. So let's get into it. So like I just did in the last lesson, we're going to be focusing on 2,460. So I'm going to be placing the dots, and we're going to be subtracting. So we have 0 in the ones, 6 in the tens, 4 in the hundreds, and 2 in the thousands. And this represents 0, 6, 4, 2,460. We're going to be subtracting 1,370 from that. Subtracting. Perfect. So what I'll do is I'll work in my place value chart, and I'll work also alongside standard algorithm. All right. So we're going to be doing subtract 0 and 0, which is 0. 6 subtract 7. I cannot do this. I don't have a 7th dot to subtract. So we have to unbundle here. So I'm going to take 100. So this is no longer 4; it is 3. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to put 10 more tens in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Perfect. So now I'm going to do this here. So I'm going to subtract 1 and add 10. So now it becomes 16. All right, see how I did that? All right, so now we do have enough. So now I am going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 7 from 16 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And 3 subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. That equals 0. 0. And then 1 subtract 2 is 1. So our answer is 1,090. Perfect. All right, let's go on to B. Let's get some extra practice in. And what you're going to realize very quickly is we are going to have to unbundle just once on B, but on C, we're going to unbundle twice. I'll show you how that goes. Excellent. So let's put 2,460 in our place value chart as dots. So we have 0, we have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have 2 thousands. Perfect. I am also going to write the digits underneath. So we have 0, we have 6, we have 4, and we have 2. Awesome. And then I'm going to subtract 1,470 from that. Cool. All right, so now let's subtract. We have 0 and 0. 0 and 0. We have 6 subtract 7, so again, we cannot do that, unfortunately. So we're going to have to unbundle here in order for us to have enough dots. So I'm going to unbundle. Boom. So this 4 becomes a 3 now. I am going to take this unbundle. I'm going to put 10 more tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And now I do have enough to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. Perfect. So, and that becomes 16. All right. So we're up to date. But now, since we unbundled in the hundreds place, we only have 3 dots. We only have 3 dots here, and I had to subtract 4 dots. We don't have enough dots. So we have to unbundle from the thousands. Boom. All right, and this is no longer 2. It is 1. Okay. So we're going to take this and we're going to bundle 10 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cool. So now we do have enough. So let me show you what it looks like here. We're going to unbundle, and then this 3 is going to turn to 13. Okay? We definitely have enough now. So let's subtract 4 from 1300s. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gives me 9 dots, or 900s. And 1 subtract 1 is 0. So that's our answer, 990. Okay, let's do one more for practice. And then I'm going to have you try the rest on your own for your exit ticket. See how you can unbundle and use the place value chart to subtract. All right, we're going to do the last one here, and just for a little bit of practice. So 97,684. I am going to place dots in my place value chart to represent that. So I have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 9 10,000s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. And now I'm going to put digits underneath to represent. I'll put a little bit further down. 4, 8, 6, 7, and 9. So 97,684. Perfect. We are then going to subtract 49,700 from that. There we go. Subtract. Perfect. Now, let's start subtracting dots. So 4 subtract 0, that is going to be 4. We're not doing anything special. 8 subtract 0, nothing special there. It's going to be 8. Now, this is where you should see that we have to unbundle. So we have 6 dots here. I want to subtract 7. We can't do that, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. So I'm going to take 1,000, and I'm going to unbundle 10 hundreds. So I'm going to put 10 dots here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this 7 is no longer 7, it is 6. Okay? And just to show you on the standard algorithm, I unbundle, and this 6 becomes 16. Okay? So now, let's subtract 7 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves me with 9. Perfect. And, all right, now in the thousands, we are in trouble. We have 6 thousands now, and I want to subtract 9. So we can't do that. We have to unbundle again from the next place value. Boom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is no longer 9, it is 8. So let's show you on the standard algorithm. So this 9 turns to an 8. This 6 now is 16. Okay, perfect. Now let's subtract 9 from 16 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 here. Awesome. And we have 8 here, so subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right. We have, 1, 2, 3, bang. We have 1, 2, 3, bang. We have 47,984. And that's how we use the place value chart in order to solve. Okay. I hope that this lesson is pretty simple when we have to unbundle. It should be very evident and very obvious when we have to unbundle and when we can't subtract because we don't have enough dots within the place value. We have to unbundle and bring over 10, either 10 tens, 10 hundreds, 10 thousands, in order to subtract. So what I'd like for you to do, I'd like for you to do DEF, GHI on your own using your place value, and I'll collect this as your exit ticket. Have a great day.